Hi, welcome to tikzkitchen. Today we're going to make apple curry. It's inspired from a Kashmiri dish my mom used to make during childhood. So let's get started. To make apple curry, we're going to need curd, fresh cream, ghee, tamarind water, ginger garlic paste, chopped onion and tomatoes, turmeric powder, saunf powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala, mustard seeds, sugar, salt, chopped green chilies, water, chopped coriander, ginger julienne, cornstarch, this is optional, and of course, apple. Heat 1 tablespoon ghee in a pan. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and 2 chopped green chilies. Saute for 5 to 10 seconds and then add 1 chopped onion. Saute on medium heat for another 30 seconds. Now add salt to taste and saute till onions turn pink in color. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute till onions turn golden brown. Add 2 chopped tomatoes and cook till they become slightly soft. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix. Now add half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix everything together. Add a dash of water to prevent spices from burning. After a minute or two, add 1 cup of water. Let it cook for a few minutes and then add half teaspoon sugar. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste into 3 tablespoons of water and add it to this mixture. Add 1 tablespoon cornstarch to thicken this gravy. Add 1 teaspoon saunf powder and let it boil for another 1 to 2 minutes. Time to add the apple pieces. Reduce the flame and put a lid on. We'll cook this for another 15 to 20 minutes. Stir your curry after every 5 minutes to allow an even cooking. Beat 3 tablespoons curd with a fork to remove all lumps. After 10 minutes, add this beaten curd to your curry and mix it together. Put the lid back on and cook it for another 5 minutes. Use a knife to check if apples are cooked. Now add 2 tablespoons fresh cream and cook without lid for another 2 to 3 minutes tops. Add 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, mix and take it off heat. Finally add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander and mix everything together. Your sweet and sour apple curry is ready to be served. You can enjoy this with rice, roti or naan. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such recipes.